You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to make a post or a tweet on the X app, formerly known as Twitter. Open the X app and ensure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, tap the floating blue plus button with a quill icon, usually at the bottom right. This opens the composition window. Type your message into the text box. You can use up to 280 characters. To add media, tap the gallery icon to attach photos or videos from your phone. Tap the GIF icon to search for and add an animated GIF. Tap the location icon to attach your current location. Tap the poll icon to create a voting poll with up to 4 choices. You can also tag other users by typing the @ symbol followed by their username. When you are ready, tap the blue post button at the top right to publish your tweet immediately. To schedule a post for later, tap the three-dot menu in the composition window, select Schedule Post, choose your date and time, and then tap Confirm. Your scheduled post will appear. Under Scheduled in your profile menu, your new post will now appear on your profile and in the timelines of your followers. For more simple social media tutorials, subscribe to the channel.